How do you identify the iPad model that you have? Let's get started. And if this is your first time here on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, if you don't have access to, if you don't even have the ability to start the iPad and like unlock it and check it out, well, there are some giveaways about the iPad, of course, like the size and, the camera layout. And based on that, you can like sort of identify the iPad. But if you want to be precise, you have to get inside of the iPad settings app where all of the things can be located, like, all of the information about it. So you go to the general and about, and you will see all of the different things, like you have the model number and model name. So the model name says it all. Most likely that's the thing that you wanted to be, that you wanted to know about it. Like, yeah, it tells me that that is the iPad Pro or iPad Mini or whatever, so you can find it right away in here. Or you can also see the model number, which can be clicked on, and it shows us like this shorter version. So, that's the A and like four numbers, and you can copy that and look it up into the Google search, and that's going to give you all of the information about it. Like, you can see it on the official Apple page, and all of the info about that particular device will be listed here, like all of the official stuff. But also when you look it through Google, you'll also see like the reviews and tests and all of the other things specifically about your iPad. So that's a great way to know more about your devices. So I really hope that can help you out with it. If there are some more questions you might have, let me know about those below. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.